Yo, what's going on, guys? First of all, don't let the title of this video scare you or whatever, I just want to share my thoughts on SUI and why I think this might be a local top. I'm not saying this is the cycle top, and if if you've got your bags ready, whatever, don't take action because of what I say, okay? You need to analyze yourself and know when to sell and when to take profit or whatever. Nobody's gonna tell you that. But anyway, I will give you my thoughts, and then you can do whatever you want with this. So SUI's been on a tear up ever since the bottom on the 5th of August 2024, and it's gone up 10x, which is huge. In these days, for a coin to go up that much is quite big, because look at the rest of the market. They're struggling. Apart from memes, utility coins are struggling. Now, we had all this parabolic move, and what I want to show you is a couple of things. One, I have a video about divergences, and although this is not a valid divergence, because if you look here, we have raising price, decreasing RSI. So I don't consider this to be a valid divergence, just because the way the divergences are calculated. So it's a maximum of 14 candles. So we could argue that from here to here it's a divergence, but it's not. Yeah, price going according to the RSI. But what I'm trying to say is this definitely indicates lack of interest in this coin. So the bid is not as strong. If you have a look here in this region, so money started from the bottom and it went up all the way up here. And if you have a look at the volume did basically the same thing, went up. Now for the rest of this move, price went up, and if you have a look here, volume is decreasing. Okay, that shows a slowdown in momentum. So slowdown in momentum means that we are potentially close to the top. We're not here to predict anything, I'm not Nostradamus or whoever. I just look at the price action and I take things as they are. Now, one of my favorite sort of trading strategies is the meme line. I love a good meme line, a trend line as they call it. And on the daily, it is still holding. But given the decrease in RSI and volume, I think this will not hold for long. Now, I have a plan to short this coin, and I'll show you exactly what my plan is. So from here, I'm looking for potentially a bounce, close below, and then a retest, and then price to decrease. Now, if we have this, we could mark this daily order block here, which is also a lower high. Yeah, market structure has been broken over here. So that's a break in market structure. That means that we are bearish. So this is potentially the beginning of a bearish trend. So what I'm looking at for, let me just do this like that. I'm looking for a move up into this order block, close below the meme line. Potentially, we might not get this retest, but the potential retest, and then my targets would be this low over here. So this would be my first target. If we smack down a volume profile, you see the volume is constant with what I've said. So the volume of this move is constant what I've said here. Most of the traded volume was here. Over here is just people FOMOing and not a lot. So basically smart money accumulated here. Well, I say retail, we are all retail, but dumb money, if you want to say that, bought here. I mean, it's not necessarily dumb, because you could have bought the breakout, but what I'm saying is people who bought here are now selling. There's no doubt about that. In my mind, there's no doubt about that. That is consistent with a decrease in volume, decrease in RSI. So this is my plan. short in this region with a stop loss above this bullish, last bullish order block. Take profit one here at 290. Take profit and the final target 223. Now whether this is gonna happen or not, we don't know, but this is something to look at. And potentially this might have been the top for SUI. Okay, we don't know yet, but we will find out. So as I said, guys, not financial advice, you know. You must look at the market and do your own analysis and make up your mind, you know. Take what I say, take what other people say, analyze yourself, and just go from there. Okay guys, so I'll see you next time. Take care.